In today's video, we're going to be making keto chocolate ice cream to go along with these keto ice cream cones that I just found. So if you saw my keto haul from earlier this week, and I'll link it right here, I discovered these and I taste tested them. They definitely passed. So then I was like, okay, I have to find a chocolate keto ice cream recipe to go with this because the kids get to eat this deliciousness all the time. Oops, but I am not gonna eat that, okay? So these are 3 net carbs, 12. Okay, went on YouTube and went searching for a keto recipe for chocolate ice cream, and I found this one by Low Carb Love. So I'm gonna follow this in this video, and I will link her video below. Okay, now she does hers in a regular stand mixer with the regular bowl, and then she puts it in a mason jar, and it looks delicious, but I happen to have this attachment right here. All right, so this is the KitchenAid stand mixer. This is the KitchenAid ice cream maker attachment, and I've already frozen this. I put this in last night because when it's not frozen, it's all liquid, and this makes it so you don't have to use like rock salt or anything. So I'm gonna make mine in here in the hopes that I get more of a kind of commercial hard version of chocolate ice cream. This little piece here, like there's this piece like this, and you just slide it onto the head of the machine. And then you have this, which also stays in the freezer until you're ready to use it. That in the bowl. And then we're gonna go ahead and mount the bowl. And I will link all this stuff down below, guys. And then when you push this up, the head will meet with this other piece. Okay, and then you turn this on. And so you see that thing? It's gonna mix it for me. So this says 1 cup of heavy cream, but we're gonna double it. Because why not? So we need heavy cream. Two cups of heavy cream. To add 1/3 a cup of powdered sweetener, I'm gonna be using allulose, but I guess we have to do 2/3 because we're doing twice the recipe. And then she folds hers in at the end, her cocoa, but I'm not gonna do it that way. 1 to 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. So I'm gonna do 2 because we're doubling the recipe. So there goes 1. Oh, perfect. And there goes 2. Ooh, I'm making a mess. And it says 1/4 cup of cocoa, but we're doing 1/2 cup because we are doubling the recipe. And I'm using Anthony's organic cocoa. We use cocoa so much that I made this little like mason jar full of it because the kids always want hot chocolate. We're gonna add this. And guys, everything is gonna be linked down below. All right. Oh, this smells so good. While that's running, I'm gonna take some macadamia nuts. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see, but we're getting there. Okay, so it's been running for about 20 minutes. And I took the toppings and I stuck them in the freezer because you want anything that you put in there to be really, really cold. So I am going to shake these in real quick. Get in there. I hope this tastes good because it is so hot down here right now. And I could really use this treat. Get in there. It has been going for about 25 total minutes. So run this for about 20 minutes and then add in your toppings and then go between 3 and 5 minutes. Okay, so let's take it out and see what we have. Right now, it's just like, doesn't look like much of anything, right? I'm gonna taste it. Oh my goodness. Okay, not gonna lie, that is tasty. Okay, her recipe is on point. Oof. I mean, right now, it doesn't look like much of anything, right? It's still kind of soft. It's still pretty soft and jiggly. It's like, so what I'm gonna do is what I always do, which is put it in here. I love this thing, by the way. So we're gonna dump it into here. It almost looks like cake batter right now. Oh, I am going to tear this up. And obviously the chunky bits are just the macadamia nuts and stuff that I put in there. I guess I'll just have to eat that. Oh, I'm just gonna make sure that all the stuff is like kind of evenly spread out in here. Oh my God. Oh Jesus, that is, that is so good. Even right now, love this container because when you're done, you can take like this ice cream scooper and you can go and roll it and you get like a nice roll because you have that long surface area. We're gonna pop this in the freezer for about 4 hours and then we will be back to taste test our macadamia nut chocolate keto ice cream. See you then. Oh yes, there's the ice cream. Okay, so it's been about 6 hours and I wanted to show you these because these are so cute. They're little ice cream cone holders. And I mean, obviously you don't need these, but I find this is so much easier when I am trying to serve ice cream. So I thought I'd show you guys. And these are like traditional waffle cones, which are 12 net carbs, and these are 3. Into the ice cream. So there you go, guys. I don't want it to fall off because I want to eat it. You can see it scoops round just like regular ice cream. I am in heaven. This, you need to run out and buy these. This is so good. And these two together are magical. So thank you, Low Carb Love, for the recipe. This is so much better than, and I've tasted all the keto ice creams. This is delicious. I will definitely be making more flavors of this. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed that and I will see you in the next one. Happy summer. Bye.